Hey, my YouTube family, welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be preparing for you cream of mushroom pork chops, pumpkin and rice, broccoli and corn. Let's do it. Okay, I have already given myself a head start. I've added the cream of mushroom to the pot, and inside the pot there was 2 tablespoons of oil. Just added a little bit of water into this tin just to get all of the goodness out of the can. This is cream of mushroom with low sodium. So this is the same pan that I fried the pork chops in. It has all the flavor. The cream of mushroom is turning brown from the flavor that was left in the pan. So I'm just mixing it all in. No browning is needed here. The pan has it. All right. Now I'm adding all of the herbs that I've used to season the pork chops with. That's the onion, celery, bell pepper, and the thyme, and a little bit of garlic. Okay, all of the herbs. Just adding them right into the pan. It's just oil, cream of mushroom, a little bit of water. Now I added the herbs. Give it a good mixing and just add a cup of water. You're not making sauce now. You don't need that much water. Just enough. About a cup. And you don't have to worry about seasoning because the pork chops, before they were fried, they were seasoned. And I will be adding all of the seasonings that I've used in the description box below. So be sure to check it out at the end. This is the fried pork chops. Now these are not cooked all the way, so don't think about eating them now. It has to go through this step first. All of the dripping from the fried pork chops right in there. That's flavor. Mushroom pork chops. I'm just making sure that I coat each piece of pork chop, making sure that all of the mixture has reached each piece. When finished, it's going to be soft and juicy. Reduce the heat, and then I'm going to allow this to go for about 8 to 10 minutes on low with the cover on. Okay, that's the pork chops. Now I can work on my pumpkin and rice. I've already given myself a head start. In this pot I have 2 tablespoons of oil, the onion, bell pepper, celery, diced pumpkin, and some turmeric. I've added everything in all at once. So now I'm just going to allow them to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the pumpkin is soft. Just like that. Of course the stove is on medium. Now you have to keep stirring it because it's going to burn and you don't want that. And I just showed you that I'm using Mahatma long grain rice. I just added a teaspoon of thyme. That's Mahatma long grain, but it's parboiled. Now I'm adding 3 cups of rice to this. That's 2 cups. That container holds 2 cups, and I'm going to half fill it to make 3 cups. This is Mahatma long grain parboiled rice. My favorite. You can use regular rice if you wish. I'm using the parboiled rice. Mahatma parboiled. This is my favorite. This is a favorite in this house. So that's what I'm using for my pumpkin and rice today. So I'm just giving the rice a little rinse. Quick bath. Get that clean up first. Now I can pour this water off. Stir this up again. Good mixing before adding the rice. Smashing the pumpkin. Now I can add the wet rice. Okay. Now some people would add the water first, but this is how I do it. I add my rice first. I like to coat my rice before adding the water. So right here I'm just preparing my water. had 3 cups of rice, so I'm going to need 4 cups of water. Now remember that you're going to need to season this to taste with salt and pepper. I'm using red pepper flakes. Make sure it's seasoned now. Okay. That's my pumpkin and rice. I've already started the corn and the broccoli. I'm only doing 2 layers of corn because my daughter doesn't want any corn because of her braces, so she's gonna have broccoli. Now I'm gonna allow this to dry out, all of the liquid, and it gets a stir as soon as all of the liquid is out. Oh my word, I'm so sorry for all of this steam. That's my pork chop. It's rolling. Oh yes. This is cream of mushroom pork chop. You can also do this, prepare this in the oven as well. But I'm just using the stove top today. Same procedures. If you want to fry it, you can fry it first or just put it in like that. But I just love mine a little brown before putting on the cream of mushroom. So you can add it to the oven just like this and follow the same steps. There you have it. Time for the stir. All of the water has dried out, so now I can stir it. Look how the pumpkin is just sticking onto the spoon. Just getting it all mixed up. Oh my word. Pumpkin and rice. That's the cream of mushroom pork chops. You can also fix chicken like this as well. That's the complete meal right there. Isn't that something else? I'm still bringing the restaurant home. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. Please share me out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Don't skip the ad. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.